I'm Ivy Rose Anderson and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about breakage, hair breakage. So for all of you who have breakage in your hair, I am going to teach you how to repair it fast, and you are going to love it because it's super easy and something that will help it repair over time, but it's not going to work overnight, but you will notice a extreme difference after using this. If you have severe breakage, you are going to want to use a replenish mask. So you guys, this is naturally based. It is cruelty-free, anti-aging, the best hair care on the market. Okay, so I am a licensed hairstylist, just like you have doctors. I am a doctor for hair. So I totally love this repair mask. When I first started using it, I had damaged, fried, blonde hair, which of course it was blonde. In order to get it this vibrant, you would want it, you know, to be super light, so it could be very, I guess, how would I put it, bold. So this is how you get bolder hair, is if you highlight it first or blonde it, bleach it out, whatever you want to say. But if you do that, that can cause breakage, severe damage to the hair. You don't want that to happen. It's going to happen, but we really don't. We want to avoid it, I guess, in any way that we can possible. So how you use this is after you wash your hair, you would apply in the shower. I'm just going to open this quick, and you will see all you need is about, maybe that much. That's not very much product. And what you would want to do is work it in from mid shaft to end. You can do this after you shampoo and then leave it set in for 5 to 10 minutes in the shower, or else you could do it before you shower too. Just dampen your hair a little bit, put it on mid shaft to ends, and you can start repairing that damaged hair fast. I can't say enough about this stuff. It comes singly, or you can get it in a hydration system, which is one of my all-time favorites. And I hope you guys like this quick little tidbit of information on how you can fix the breakage and severe damage to your hair with just 5 to 10 minutes once a week using this repair mask. It is going to change your hair incredibly. Now, obviously, if you know me through social media and follow me on Facebook, you have seen my hair, how nasty it was and how damaged and fried and severely, just horrible it was. So I wanted to share this with you guys, this quick little tip. And if you want more beauty tips, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you guys think of this hair mask, if you've tried it or if you want to try it. I can share with you how to get it if you want, and let's start repairing that damaged hair. So I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, click the like button, so that way I can share more amazing beauty products with you. This is just the beginning, and I can't wait to share more with you guys. Happy hair healing!